Okay, so it is 7:30 in the morning. My mama claimed to get stuff done. You gotta be out early. You gotta be the early bird. The early bird get the worm. And if you ain't up at the top of the hour in the morning, it's too late to do anything. That's what she do. All my life, she wake me up early in the morning to clean all kinds of bullshit. So you know what? I just drove to her house because I could not sleep. And I'm about to wake her up. And I'm about to see if this early bird is up and out of the bed. And I bet she's not. 'Cause I don't see any lights on. I don't see any lights on or nothing. Let's see what the early bird is doing. Early bird, you supposed to be up. I got up on your time this morning. What you doing, mama? We got stuff to do. We got to get up at the top of the hour and do it, remember? I'm playing by your rules and you still sleep. She's not a true early bird, y'all. She's not a true early bird. Wake up, mama. Look at the early bird sleep. I knew she was going to be asleep.